All parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, while greeting Pakistan on its Defence Day, has paid glowing tributes to the heroes of 1965 war who sacrificed their lives to defend their motherland and defeated the designs of the enemy. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said on 6 September, the Pakistan Defence Day is the tale of bravery and heroism. Posters with the pictures of Pakistan Army Chief General Syed Asim Munir have appeared on the eve of 6 September, the Defence Day of Pakistan in occupied Kashmir. The posters praising the Defence Day were displayed in different parts of the Srinagar. The posters said the time is not far away when Kashmir will be freed and the people will get their rights. Students of Government Girls Higher Secondary School Banihal staged a protest and blocked the Srinagar-Jammu highway, stressing through the Banihal town in the Ramban district in protest against the appointment and the transfers of teachers on the basis of their association with the Hindutva ideology. The protesting students said 537 female students are enrolled in the Government Girls Higher Secondary School Banihal, and out of 14 sanctioned lecturer posts, only 6 were appointed. President of Jamiyat-e-Ulama-e-Hind Maulana Arshad Madani has refuted the claim by Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh that every Indian is a Hindu and said that it is meaningless and illogical claim. Talking to media persons, he said that we are Hindi, not Hindu. He said Muslims are being targeted, as has happened recently in Haryana and other cities of the India. Renowned intellectual, leading voice of the Kashmir Freedom Movement and executive director of the Kashmir Media Service, late Sheikh Tajamul Islam, was remembered for his invaluable and unparalleled services towards the Kashmiri sacred cause on his second death anniversary today. According to Kashmir Media Service, Sheikh Tajamul passed away on this day in 2021 after a brief illness at a hospital in Islamabad. A special dua was offered at the office of the Kashmir Media Service, which was attended by all staff members. Senior APHC AJK leader Mohammad Farooq Rahmani has paid rich tributes to Sheikh Tajamul on his second death anniversary. Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said as director of the Kashmir Media Service for a long time and a journalist, he played a great role in highlighting the struggle of the Kashmiris.